So in this video, you'll learn how to add the camera shortcut to the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So to do so, you're going to start by accessing the lock screen editor, and you can do this by navigating to the Settings app. And then once you're in Settings, you want to scroll and select the option Lock Screen and AUD. From here, you then want to look for Edit Lock Screen, and you want to go ahead and tap on it to access the lock screen editor. Alternatively, you can always just go to the lock screen directly, and then you want to long press on it. From here, enter in your current PIN, password, or pattern so that you can access editing mode. Once you're in editing mode, you're then going to tap on either shortcut that you want to replace to the camera option, and you're going to tap on it. Once you've tapped on it, and this pop-up menu appears, you want to scroll through from Actions to Apps, and then under Apps, look for Camera. Simply select it, and then you should see the icon changing. Once it's been changed, you want to tap on Done to save and apply the changes. So now whenever you glance at the lock screen, you should see the camera shortcut. And if you ever want to activate it, what you're going to do is just swipe a finger across the icon, and then you can see this camera slider appearing. So just go ahead and continue pulling, and then the camera should activate on your Z Fold 7. If you want to exit, you can just press on the home button or use the swipe gesture to go back home. And that is how you can add the camera shortcut to the lock screen of your Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.